This is Super Yacht News with E. Sisman.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm under the weather right now, so please bear with me while I do this video. Now, we recently did a story about a UK lawyer who had misappropriated and apparently hidden over $25 million from the reach of a Saudi princess. Well, it appears the money has been found hidden away in the Caribbean. The Grand Court in the Cayman Islands has ordered that the assets of the UK lawyer Ronald Gibbs be frozen to allow a Saudi princess to recover money owed to her. This follows recent court proceedings in the UK, which ordered Gibbs to repay Her Royal Highness Prince Dima bint Sultan bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. That's the princess's name. On the 27th of February, 2024, the UK court ordered Mr. Gibbs to repay $39.5 million to the princess after she made him power of attorney over a $25 million trust fund in 2011. The judgment includes interest on the original $25 million he controlled. Mr. Gibbs said in the UK court that he was basically broke and he only had a laptop and a small £50 printer, also saying, "You can't get blood out of a stone. There's no point asking me to pay funds I don't have." Now, despite saying these things, it turns out, according to the Cayman Islands court, that Gibbs has assets in the Cayman Islands to a value of, wait for it, $45 million. This includes the 40-metre or 131-foot yacht Elysium, which he admitted he owned 100% of in a court hearing in the UK in February. Now, Gibbs was asked to manage an investment fund for the princess in 2011. The fund had $25 million US in it, or approximately £20 million. Now, the princess had intended to buy a property in Paris, but then changed her mind. Now, after this, Gibbs used the money to which he had been given power of attorney to purchase a number of properties around the world. He also purchased the yacht named Elysium, a brand new yacht which he ordered straight from Sunseeker, and he purchased a controlling stake in a yacht building company called Silver Arrows Marine Limited. Now, according to the court papers, he paid £17 million for the yacht, which is $21.4 million, which the paperwork that we've seen says was completed in 2018. Now, according to a Boat International article, the yacht was put up for sale soon after delivery. It was placed on the Burgess website for £18 million, which is what? Over $20 million. Now, the reason for this immediate sale, according to the article, Gibbs already had his eye on a larger yacht. Now, Gibbs has never returned any money to the princess, and he did not honour a settlement agreement in 2018 to return it. The Grand Court of the Cayman Islands ordered that up to $45 million in assets, as we said earlier, including the yacht owned by Gibbs, be frozen to allow the Saudi princess to recover the money he owes her. The lawyer for the princess in the UK hearing in December said that he's never paid a penny of what he owes, all while spending millions on his super yacht and his yacht building business, maintaining his multinational property empire and making significant sales of assets, generating millions of pounds that he directed elsewhere than to the claimant, who's the princess, of course. Now, it appears when the lawyer for the princess said elsewhere, it turns out that elsewhere was the Cayman Islands. Now, after agreeing to liquidate the fund in 2018 and not doing so, Mr. Gibbs claimed the settlement agreement allowed him to continue to manage the portfolio and liquidate it over time, and that he had no liability to ensure the princess gets back at least her original investment. Now, it was initially thought feasible that the yacht was purchased as an asset for the fund or even for use by the princess. However, it would appear that from the paperwork that we've seen that Gibbs used the yacht as the owner, signing emails as captain/owner. This has been confirmed by people close to the vessel. Now, Gibbs and his family used the yacht as their own yacht. Now, the yacht was arrested in Port Adriano, which is in Palma in Spain, in 2023 for non-payment to local companies during a refit. The yacht is still currently laid up in that port. And now the yacht is for sale for €13.9 million on the Sunseeker website, which is approximately £11.8 million or $14.9 million. So the yacht has lost a value of 5.8 million euros, which is about 5 million pounds or $6.2 million. Now, we contacted Sunseeker and the broker who is selling the yacht, but they refused to comment on the story. Now, I'll put a link in below if you want to go and see the listing for this yacht, by the way. Now, the judge in the Cayman Island ruling, Justice David Doyle, said he was satisfied that the applicant, the princess, had a good, arguable case, and there is a strong risk that the English order will go unsatisfied because of the disposal of assets unless an asset freezing order is made and receivers appointed. Justice Doyle said that Gibbs' past conduct indicates he may breach the freezing order or will take steps to ensure his assets are not available. The judge further stated that he was of the view that the English order was recognisable and enforceable in the Cayman Islands. Now, while Gibbs has assets in the Cayman Islands, he does not live there. All right, so stay tuned for updates. And if you've got any information on this story, please be sure to get in touch with us. You can get us in the email address in the ticker there. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for future notifications. All right, guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye-bye.